Hello everyone and welcome to our latest tech video where we'll be showcasing the top 5 work-from-home laptops of 2023. With the current trend of remote work, having a good laptop has become more important than ever. A laptop that can handle demanding tasks, is portable and has long battery life is essential for seamless remote work. In this video, we've curated a list of laptops that meet these requirements and more. So whether you're a freelancer, a remote worker, or someone who's looking to upgrade their current setup, stay tuned to discover the best laptops for work from home. 1. Dell XPS. The Dell XPS 13 is a top-performing laptop that's ideal for work from home. Its 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor provides lightning-fast performance for demanding tasks such as video editing, graphic design, and software development. With 16 GB of RAM, you can easily multitask and switch between multiple applications without any lag. The 13-inch 4K touchscreen display is a visual delight, offering crystal-clear visuals and vibrant colors. The laptop is designed to be ultra-portable, making it perfect for those who are always on the go. Its lightweight and compact design, combined with its long battery life, makes it easy to carry around and work from anywhere, whether you're in a coffee shop, at the airport, or simply working from your couch. In addition to its performance, the Dell XPS 13 also boasts a sleek and stylish design that adds a touch of elegance to your work setup. The laptop is constructed with high-quality materials, including a machined aluminum shell and a carbon fiber palm rest, making it both durable and visually appealing. It also has a backlit keyboard and a precision touchpad, providing a comfortable and responsive typing experience. With a price range of around $1,500, the Dell XPS 13 is a great investment for those looking for a top-performing work-from-home laptop. Whether you're a power user or simply need a reliable laptop for everyday tasks, the Dell XPS 13 is a top choice for anyone looking for a laptop that can handle anything you throw at it. So if you're looking for a laptop that can keep up with your demanding work-from-home needs, the Dell XPS 13 is definitely worth considering. 2. MacBook Air M2. This laptop from Apple is a popular choice for those who prioritize style and performance. With the new M1 chip, it offers lightning-fast performance for demanding tasks such as video editing, graphic design, and software development. The 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM makes multitasking a breeze and ensures smooth switching between multiple applications. The 13-inch Retina display provides stunning visuals, with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and high brightness, making it great for both work and entertainment. The display also supports the P3 wide color gamut, which means you can see more accurate and vivid colors. The MacBook Air M2 also boasts an impressive battery life, making it ideal for work from home. You can work for hours without having to worry about plugging in your laptop, and its long battery life makes it perfect for traveling or working on the go. The laptop is designed with portability in mind, and its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry around. Its all-metal body adds a touch of sophistication to your work setup and makes it a great choice for those who value both form and function. The MacBook Air M2 starts at a price of around $1,000, making it a great investment for anyone looking for a powerful, yet stylish laptop for work from home. Whether you're a power user or simply need a reliable laptop for everyday tasks, the MacBook Air M2 is a top choice for anyone looking for a laptop that can handle anything you throw at it. With its impressive performance, long battery life, and stylish design, the MacBook Air M2 is definitely worth considering for anyone looking for a laptop for work from home. 3. HP Spectre X360. Laptop number 3 on our list is the HP Spectre X360. This 2-in-1 laptop offers the best of both worlds, with its versatile design that allows you to use it as a laptop or a tablet. It's powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, providing fast performance for demanding tasks. With 16 GB of RAM, you can easily multitask and switch between multiple applications without any lag. The 13.5-inch touchscreen display is bright and vibrant, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. The HP Spectre X360 also boasts a sleek and stylish design, with its thin and lightweight body that makes it easy to carry around. It also has a backlit keyboard and a precision touchpad, providing a comfortable and responsive typing experience. The laptop also features a 360-degree hinge, allowing you to easily switch between laptop and tablet modes. This makes it perfect for those who need a laptop for both work and entertainment. With a price range of around $1,200, the HP Spectre X360 is a great investment for those looking for a versatile work-from-home laptop. Whether you're a power user or simply need a reliable laptop for everyday tasks, the HP Spectre X360 is a top choice for anyone looking for a laptop that can handle anything you throw at it. So if you're looking for a laptop that's both powerful and versatile, the HP Spectre X360 is definitely worth considering. 4. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon laptop is designed for business professionals who need a durable and powerful laptop for work from home. With its 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM, it provides fast performance for demanding tasks. The 14-inch display is bright and clear, with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon is known for its durability and reliability, with its tough carbon fiber body and MIL STD 810G military-grade certification. This means it's built to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, making it a great choice for those who need a laptop that can last. It also has a backlit keyboard and a precision touchpad, providing a comfortable and responsive typing experience. With a price range of around $1,150, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon is a great investment for those looking for a durable and powerful laptop for work from home. Whether you're a business professional or simply need a reliable laptop for everyday tasks, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon is a top choice for anyone looking for a laptop that can handle anything you throw at it. So if you're looking for a laptop that's both durable and powerful, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon is definitely worth considering. 5. Microsoft Surface 4 Laptop. It's the last laptop on our list. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is a great laptop for working from home. It has a sleek design that looks professional yet is still lightweight and portable. The laptop also has a spacious SSD that loads programs quickly and stores a lot of data and a long-lasting battery that will keep you going all day long. In addition, the Surface Laptop 4 comes with pre-installed Microsoft Office, so you'll be able to get to work immediately. If you need to collaborate with others or screen share, the built-in webcam and microphone make it easy to do so. The keystrokes are easy and subtle, so you can type quickly and for long periods without getting tired. You might not even need an external keyboard anymore. If your job requires a lot of data entry, this laptop will make your work much easier and more enjoyable. The Surface Laptop 4 is a sleek, powerful machine that will make your life easier. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.